It's a gator repair. However, I do think that is a little bit thick.
I didn't know we were a veterinarian.
Is it a crocodile or gator?
Oh, what is it? Oh, is it a gator? It's a gator. It's not a crocodile.
You said gator.
Whatever it is, it's a freaking dinosaur machine. Or a machine made after dinosaurs.
Nice prepped surface. Yeah.
Oh, and for the people who are going to get freaked out because it sounds weird or whatever, this is a pulse MIG machine. So, you'll hear it
Erroneous.
pulsing. It pulses the wire. It can do the power too. It'll pulse your amperage as well, but right now it's just set to, it's physically pulsing my wire back and forth. Which is nice, you know. It takes slightly less skill to be good with it, and that's always nice. Let's get some tacks on there. Make sure it don't go anywhere. The customer states that he puts about 3 times the weight that is recommended for the gator on the gator, which is fine. It's not my place to, whatever, he enjoys it. So he just wants it beefed up so that he can continue to do that without these big old rips in the tubing. You can see somebody else has already been in here and put some fat welds on there. So our game plan, where is it? Is to use this piece of angle, brace the top of it with this. I'm gonna trim out the angle so that it'll sit flush on the pipe, and I'll probably do some kind of bracing back here. I've not gotten that far yet. We'll figure it out.
Well, we like it.
So here's the thing, right? You know what I just realized? Is if I go ahead and weld this now, it's gonna pull the hitch back up again. So I should probably get some meat underneath it. It really just needs like a little gusset. Or if you don't know what a gusset is, like a little triangle, like wedge piece of metal to help support the back of it, because the angle up top will fight that downward pressure. But we want something in case, you know, he stops real close and it does trailer, gator, do something like that. The gusset down here will help fight that upwards force. Now I have to find one.
Let's do it.
I don't think I'm gonna be getting the grinder up there. Or instead of like, I guess instead of a gusset, you could even do like a piece of thicker wall tubing, cut to an angle to slide in there. We'll get it figured out.